welcome back to my channel. It's Reggie Dior again with part 2 of the Supergoop and replacing your makeup with SPF. So, what makeup item am I talking about specifically? Your setting powder. Do I recommend this product? Stick around and find out. Okay guys, have you ever did a full face of makeup and then look at yourself in the mirror and all of its glory and your makeup looks incredible, and then you realize you did not put on any SPF? Now, if you're big into SPF like me and you know the benefits of wearing SPF, which is, you know, the premature wrinkles, the sunspots, the sun damage, the skin cancer, the sunburn, all of the dislikes that, you know, I don't enjoy is the main reason why I wear an SPF. So I've done time and time again. I will get done with my makeup and I'm like, oh my goodness, like, what am I gonna do? Definitely is not gonna be wash off all my makeup. So I stumbled across this gem and let me show you guys the little unboxing really quickly. And this is a setting powder. So that's incredible. Now, I'm not saying to replace your everyday SPF with this. That is not what I'm saying. What I am saying, like the website says about this product, is perfect to reapply throughout the day after your SPF has been sitting on for 2 hours and have worn off. So this is a perfect reapplication. And it's a CYA if you've done your full out makeup and you forgot to put on your sunblock, then I'd grab for this. Now, the reason why I say I probably I wouldn't replace my regular SPF with this is because if you think about it, you know, when you use a liquid SPF, you know, you have it all over your hands. You can make sure that you have it evenly applied, nice and evenly over your eyes, your eyelids, etc. However, with this powder, I feel like, you know, it can be hit or miss. Now, you can get really precise with it and get in that mirror and make sure that you're getting every single nook and cranny on your face. That's the way I look at it. It's perfect to have in your purse also throughout the day, like if it's time to reapply and, you know, your face may be a little shiny. Boom, pop this out, tap it, and then reapply it over your face to reduce that shine and reapply your sunscreen. One thing that I don't like about this product is that for me, it takes me a little while to really work the products out of here quick enough. And then, I don't know, I feel like if I'm a little rough on the tube, then like a lot pops out and it's like a cloud of smoke and it's just all of this product on there. So that's one of my dislikes. Now, one of my likes is that this does come in 4 different shades. It comes in Invincible. It comes in 2 shades that are, you know, in between my shade. And then, of course, you've got that deep, because, you know, I've got that deep melanated skin going on here. So, I like that. I like that it's something out there for everybody, right? And then I like that it's 100% mineral. Provides protection against the full spectrum of ultraviolet radiation. Mineral sunscreens with both zinc oxide and titanium oxide protect against UVA as well, which is the wavelength that penetrates clouds and glass and causes significant photoaging in the form of wrinkles and sunspots. So that's a complete win for me. I don't want any of, gosh, the penetrating clouds and glass and causes significant photoaging. and forming wrinkles, listen, I'm going to go with the 100% mineral sunblock in any way it's made, whether it's the liquid, the eyeshadow, the powder, a mist. Give me the mineral over the chemical sunblock any day. So yeah, I feel like this right here was definitely mission accomplished. As far as, you know, what it says that it will do, setting your makeup, and it says that it's matte and it's also sweat resistant, which is another huge plus. I'm in Texas, and if you live in Texas, you know it is a sweltering jungle out here in Texas. So if you can get your hands on something that is sweat resistant when it comes to SPF, grab it as soon as possible, because you're definitely gonna sweat in Texas. This product is good for normal, oily, combination, dry, and sensitive skin. It says it's a setting powder that provides 100% mineral broad spectrum UV protection with a flawless satin finish. Perfect for setting your makeup and reapplying SPF in just one step. I agree with that. It did give me a satin finish. It was a nice matte color. It says that it is a solution for dullness and uneven texture. I don't know if I would agree with the uneven texture. I think that's a reach for me anyway. Fine lines and wrinkles, I can see it aiding in that, like as far as, like, you know, setting in your makeup to where your makeup doesn't set in those creases. I can see it aiding in the fine lines and the wrinkles there. And then it also says that it's a solution for oiliness. I agree there again. Going over your face with this really will resolve that oily T-zone. Nobody likes an oily T-zone. It is unattractive. I've never heard nobody checking for an oily T-zone. Okay. Then it also tells you how to use the product, but I mean, it's not rocket science on how to use it. It has a little pin in the middle. I took it off in that video for you guys to see, and then you push the plastic cap down. You tap it like such until the product comes to the middle of the brush, and then you just simply apply it to your face. Like that. And then when you go to put it back up, you just slide that little plastic ring back up to the top. Replace the lid. It's small enough to fit in your purse. Also lets you know that you can clean the brush with lukewarm water and mild soap. And then you can also refill these with little refills also. So yeah, so far I don't like the way it flows out of the tube for use. I feel like you got to like put a little extra jerkage in that tapping application to get the product to come out. But I definitely love the concept, you know, removing the shine from your face, the matte finish. The fact that it's 100% mineral, you know, it's giving you that extra added benefit, and it's sweat resistant. So if you're here in Dallas, Texas, boom, this is a perfect pick for you. So anyway, thank you guys for watching along this far. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you pick up. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos on taking care of your skin and SPF protection. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. I love you for watching. Peace, love, and light. And until next time, thank you guys.